Hello everybody, so nice to see you again. Today we are going to look at colours, and you may remember all your colours. Some of you may still be learning. Either way, let's go over our colours together. It will be good practice. So our first colour today is yellow. Let's say it together. Yellow. Our next colour is red. And we say it together, red. Let's do another colour. This one is blue. And we say together, blue. Who knows what colour this is? Green. That's right. And together we say, green. Here's another, orange. Can you say it with me? Orange. Here comes our next one. Do you know what it is? Purple. That's right. Say it with me. Purple. And this one is pink. Let's say it together. Pink. Here comes our next one. Do you know what it is? Black. And together we say black. This one is white. And all together we say white. This color is one of my favorites. It reminds me of chocolate. Do you know what color it is? Brown. And all together, brown. Did you see all the different kinds of birds? There were very strange ones in there too. Can't believe all the different colors that we have in our world. We live in such an amazing world. When I was looking at all the birds, I couldn't believe how many different colored birds there are in our world. What you can do today and this week is when you're outside, look and see if you can spot any birds and see what colors you can see. Maybe you'll be lucky and find a few feathers too. Do you know, I've just noticed on the roof, I think it's a bird, but a very strange looking bird. Maybe you can guess what it is. Goodbye everybody.